Verifying a rental applicant's employment is one of the most important steps in income verification, and a written employment verification form creates the documentation you need. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's how to use an employment verification form in your screening process. An employment verification form is sent to the applicant's employer, either directly by the landlord or provided to the applicant to submit to their HR department. It requests confirmation of the applicant's employment status, job title, start date, and annual or monthly gross income. The form should be accompanied by a written authorization signed by the applicant, authorizing the employer to release the information. Without this authorization, many HR departments will decline to respond. When you receive the completed form, verify that it's actually from the employer. Look up the company's main phone number independently and call HR to confirm. Fake employment verifications are a real fraud vector in rental applications. Cross-reference the verified income against the income stated on the application and against bank statements. All three sources should be consistent. Inconsistencies are red flags. Employment verification is particularly important for applicants who are newer employees or who have recently changed jobs, two situations where income stability is less certain. Our free employment verification form is formatted for HR department completion and includes all required authorization language. For the free form and complete tenant screening resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.